To make my vegetable stock, I've got a bunch of vegetables here in my pot. I have carrots, mushrooms, onion, green onion, celery. I put salt and pepper to taste, and I have some garlic in there as well. And I'm just going to pour in enough water just to cover. And I'm going to cover my pot, and I'm going to put that on the stove. So I've brought this to a boil, and I'm just going to give it a stir. And then cover and cook until they are fork tender. Okay, it's been about 30 minutes, and these are all fork tender now. If you wanted to cook them faster, you could always chop your vegetables up. So now I'm going to take my immersion blender, and I'm going to blend everything up. And I'm going to scoop it into my ice cube tray. And I'm going to put that in my freezer to freeze up. And once they've hardened, remove them from the tray and store them in the freezer in a Ziploc bag. To reconstitute them, drop into some boiling water. And there's your vegetable stock. So you could add this to a soup base, drink it just like it is, as a cup of soup, or add it to things like your spaghetti sauce for an added bit of nutrition. So there you go. Easy vegetable stock, bouillon cubes. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.